The Council of Trent, the 22nd Session. The Canons and Decrees of the Sacred and Ecumenical Council of Trent. Edited and translated J. Waterworth. Chapter II. Who are to be promoted to Cathedral Churches. Whosoever is hereafter to be promoted to a Cathedral Church shall not only be fully qualified by birth, age, morals, and life, and in other respects, as required by the sacred canons, but shall also have been previously constituted in sacred order, for the space of at least 6 months. And information on these points, if the individual be only recently or not at all known at the court of Rome, shall be derived from the legates of the Apostolic See, or from the nuncios of the provinces, or from his ordinary, and in his default from the nearest ordinaries. And besides the things above named, he shall possess such learning as to be able to discharge the obligations of the office that is about to be conferred upon him, and he shall therefore have been previously promoted by merit in some university for studies, to be a master, or doctor, or licentiate, in sacred theology, or in canon law, or shall be declared by the public testimony of some academy fit to teach others. And, if he be a regular, he shall have a similar attestation from the superiors of his own order. And all the above named persons, from whom the information or testimony aforesaid is to be derived, shall be bound to report on these matters faithfully and gratuitously. Otherwise let them know that their consciences will be grievously burthened, and that God and their own superiors will punish them.